A syllabus often centers around preventing unethical student behaviors, emphasizing responsibilities, or appeasing a regulating body's demands for accrediting standards. Under the weight of all those policies and procedural nuances, we often lose sight of the message of student learning, wellness, and relationship building. The audience of a syllabus remains to be the students, but some seem to focus on a different audience, a more bureaucratic audience. The syllabus is the first introduction of the course and the professor to the student, and if written carefully, it can be both a learning guide and an inspiration. Transitioning to a digital, accessible, inclusive, and interactive syllabus will set a positive tone and promote open communication between professor and student. This is our proposed syllabus.
As you notice, our syllabus is a PDF, and the reason which it is a PDF is because of the read out loud feature. This makes it more accessible for students to be able to listen and use the read out loud. To the left, professors can include their picture, and on the top, the course name, their name, the class meeting days, times, room number, or Zoom info, or both, because CSUN does offer both hybrid and high flex classes. On the left, you will see an image icon of a phone, which would include the contact information for the professor and their office hours. Directly to the right, you will find the welcome message. In this area, we would really hope that professors can make it their own, have fun with the welcome message, but genuinely be welcoming. Directly under, there's space for the description of the course and the outcomes. And on the bottom of the first page, you will find space for to include an encouraging and uplifting quote.
Now moving to the second page, you see a series of icons. All of these icons can be linkable so that when the student just clicks on the icon, it takes you directly to the link for this basic need. For example, this is only an example. This one goes to CSUN with a heart. Hopefully in the near future, we will have a link that focuses on all the basic needs for students. Then there is a series of other icons that can be customizable or replaced and linked to the appropriate link. Then there is an interactive section here where it says, tell me about yourself. This is a first assignment for the student to have that first interaction with the professor and state their needs or anything the professor needs to know to help the student in advance. And this is the weight grading that is shown in a pie chart, and it shows final exam, quizzes, assignments, midterm, term paper, and this can be customized to the class because it's linked to an Excel spreadsheet on this PowerPoint.
Directly to the right, you'll find space for the reading section of the course. And most CSUN students are now opting into providing free materials that are accessible through a CSUN online library access. The concept is the same. You link it. As long as the student is logged in with their CSUN credentials, it'll take them directly to the book. And on the bottom, you will see the schedule feature, which is 16 weeks as CSUN follows. And each week, the concept again is to have everything linkable and accessible. So if there's a reading for that particular week, it'll be linked directly to the reading that is due, and same for the assignment. If there's a due assignment for that week, it'll take them directly to the Canvas page, assignment description, whatever the professor is needing to use for that particular assignment.
And this is our proposed syllabus because we are more than students. Thank you.